We're finally starting on our SS Clone project truck, and the first thing we're going to do before we send it out to get an aluminum LS block slapped in is paint the firewall since the engine is already out. So I start removing the whole front clip, removing everything from the firewall, scuffing it with 320 and some Scotch-Brite, masking it up for paint. Our color of choice was Cosmic Black from Tropical Glitz. We mixed up some color and I sprayed 1 coat of black sealer, 2 coats of base coat, and 2 coats of clear coat. Once the paint was dry the next day, I put everything back together, and look at that paint. The flakes pops when you shine the light on it.